Hey there and welcome. Today my wife's taking vacation, so I'm replacing her. We're going to do some meatballs. Are you ready? I'll show you my meatballs. So to start, what do we have? We have 400 grams of ground pork, and then we have onion, garlic, shallot, egg, one egg, 2 tomatoes, and we have some dry fungus, which are now wet fungus. What else? What else we have? On the screen. Show me please. Tapioca. And then we have some ketchup. And finally, some... what is that thing? Oyster sauce. Hey man, it's a panda. What the heck? For the next steps, we're going to add the minced onion. Yes, those are onions. Yes, please put them now. Put them, good girl. Put them in there, yes. Put them all in there. And then we have, garlic. Add some garlic. Not all? Oh, fine. Okay, just a little bit there. And then a little bit of shallot. What do we do next? That's dry fungus. They are now dry. So add them in. And then we have 1 egg. Add that 1 egg in there. That's a really nice mixer. That's it? We have tapioca. Add 2 teaspoons of tapioca. 1 and 2. 2 teaspoons of tapioca. That's 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. And then we have half a teaspoon of sugar, a little bit of pepper, and finally some panda sauce. Or they call it oyster sauce, but I don't see any oyster, I see a panda. Alright, mix them. Oh yeah, mix them well. Now see that's ready. Oh yeah. Now what you do? You make the balls. Yeah, make them round. Oh yeah. 1 ball, and then the next ball. 2 balls. And by the magic we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. 14 balls ready to eat. Oh wait, not yet. Now we're going to slice some tomato. Yes. Cut them clean, please. Cut them clean. Alright. Now cut them small. Yes, more. Cut. Oh, wow. Done. We're done. We are done here. Put them in a bowl. Yes. Put them all in a bowl. Don't waste anything. Don't waste. Good girl. Alright then. So what do we do next? We're going to, fry our hand. Oh no, wait, that's just to feel the heat. Heat up the pan first and then put some oil in there. Not too much oil. No, not too much. That's fine. Alright, stop there. That's good. Next, you're going to you fry your sticks? Why do you fry your sticks? Oh, yeah, to make sure they're hot. Good idea. And then you put the balls in there. Add the balls. Add all of them. Oh yeah. Now look. It's crispy. And remember, those balls need to be turned. So you're going to use a spoon and stick to turn them. See? Brown balls. Oh yeah, I think they are ready. Yep. Take them out. Take all of them. Yep. Remember to dry them a little bit. Because of the oil, you don't want the oil too much in there. Alright then. I want to eat them now. Wait, whoa, not finished yet? How come? Man, give me the balls. I want to eat them. Wait, you put some oil. Interesting. Now you put some shallot, garlic, green onion, and then stir them. Oh, then you add tomato. Oh, I get it. This is the sauce part. You make the sauce. Yes, tomato sauce. Oh yeah, stir them until they turn into the sauce. Right? I think so. Oh, you add some salt too. I guess it's for some flavor. Finally, are we adding something else? Oh, water. We add some water, ladies and gentlemen. Water. 1 cup of water. Very important. 1 cup. And some ketchup too. Some ketchup. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Show me that. Ketchup. And now the fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Alright. And then you add the balls in there. Oh, I get it. It's called meatball with tomato sauce. Haha. Alright. So you turn them. And wait, it's not done yet. Oh, you add some cocaine. Hey, oh no, wait, that's look like tapioca to me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks more like tapioca than cocaine. Alright. Yeah, just a little bit. 2 teaspoons of tapioca, and then you mix, you add them, then you stir and stir and stir. Come on, stir them. I knew it. Oh, it's done! Voila! We have it. Oh yeah. Nice, warm, juicy balls. Oh, we add, what do we add here? Green stuff. Green onion, I guess. Oh, and a plant. Leaves. What is that thing? Oh, coriander. Alright, look at it. Juicy. I wanna taste them all. Taste them. Yum yum. Well, that's it, I guess. Bye.